So let's add something to this. This is pabasba ay patadtad. 3, 1, 2, 3. So snap, 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 snap. Now let's add 2 more. So 1, 2, and 3. This one will be pabasbas, pabasbas palabas, then tagpas. Then the other 1, 2, 3, palabas, then tagpas. Go. Slowly. Slowly. So tagpas. So 1, 2, 3, tagpas, tagpas. 1, 2, 3, tagpas, tagpas. 1, 2, 2, 3. Ito, this one. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then hang. Palabas, tagpas. Palabas, tagpas. Palabas, tagpas. Palabas, tagpas. So the technique is oriented to this one. So when he hits, hang, and I'm here. And the moment he hits back, I can be here. Then that's the end point. So 1, so again hits, 1, 2, again, sorry, hang, hang, hang. I'm here then, hits back, and there. Okay, go, move, still ulit. So 1, 2, 3, palabas, tagpas. 3, palabas, pass, 2, hang, hang. So 1, 2, 3, palabas, tagpas. 3, palabas, tagpas. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, then hits. 1, 2, 3, hits. So that's the purpose, and it will end here. 1, 2, 3, labas, tagpas. 1, 2, 3, labas, tagpas. Okay, so practice it, get used to it, and master it. See you in the next one.